Yeah, before I start talking about the machine, maybe a few sentences about myself and about Horsch. So my name is Sören. I arrived here in WA already 10 weeks ago, and I'm here for the next year to support the importer Muddy River and CNE to introduce the sprayers here in WA. Thank you guys, it's a pleasure to work with you together. I'm since 2.5 years with Horsch already, and had the opportunity to do after-sales support for the sprayers around the whole world. I have spent much time already in Canada and the United States and Europe, and worked a lot on those sprayers. Yeah, Horsch actually has grown a lot, especially in the sprayer market. For example, last year, the sprayer factory in south of Germany, where this sprayer is built, was more than doubled. So it's a very modern factory line there right now. And as you all know, Horsch was founded in 1984 by Michael and Cornelia Horsch, who are still running the business with their childs already. They're all involved in each department. And 2011, they merged with Horsch Leeb. So that was when the success with the sprayers has started. And we're today, I would say, one of the most successful sprayer companies or manufacturers over there in Europe. So Horsch actually has 3,300 employees, and we're building already approximately 2,200 sprayers a year, and 500 to 600 of them are self-propelled units. So this is our Leeb VL, which we have right here as a 8400, which means 8,000 liters, 400 horsepower. It comes with a FPT engine, a class cabin, 8,000 liter stainless steel tank, and this is a 48-meter boom. We also have this machine available as a 6,000 liter tank and a 280 horsepower FPT engine. You're also able to get it as a 8,000 liter 280 horsepower or 6,000 liter 400 horsepower. So the principle and the concept of this machine is always the same. It's just how you spec it. So to go more in detail, I will start at the front. So as you can see, this is a class cabin. You might know this cabin already from your class combine. Class calls this X11 cabin. So this was introduced in our sprayers last year already. Gives you more room. Introduces also the new armrest. Leather seat, air ventilated and heated for long working days. All our sprayer functions are operated via an isobus implement. So you just put whatever steering system you wanted on the sprayer, for example John Deere, Egg Leader, Trimble, Raven, or whatever you want. The sprayer comes always factory ready with the interfaces on top of the tank and in the cap, so you just put your harness on, plug and play, and you're ready to go. So our concept with the wheel drive is we got Bosch Rexroth drive components. Our wheelbase is 4.3 meters, which is quite wide, very comfortable to ride. This is what we call high power gear drive with big hubs, 12 wheel bolts. So even in hilly conditions, you got much torque for heavy jobs, right? As you can see, the steering angle is angled, so you got a four-wheel steer. You can put fat tires on it, skinny tires on it. For example, the smallest tire or the skinniest you would get is a 380 105 R54 with 2.19 meter diameter, which gives you a big footprint. But you can also go for fat tires, for example 750s, 70 R44. My Canadian friends and Canadian colleagues, they actually run 900s on them. That's the widest you put on there, right? So many possibilities, or 520s, 620s, whatever you want is possible to order it from the factory. Road speed would be up to 55 kilometers an hour with this drive system. And if you would order a smaller engine, for example, whatever is needed for your farm, you're also able to get the smaller hub drive which is called power gear, with only 10 wheel bolts. It's just a little bit cheaper, and if you don't need it in flat country, you would go for that, for example. Yeah, as I said, the engine is an FPT engine, 400 horsepower, mounted between the cab and our stainless steel tank. Very nice, accessible for maintenance and so on. And I think FPT is known for their good engines. Like many other manufacturers are using the FPT engine. And our whole concept of the frame is one big middle beam, and all the lines and wires are running through it, so it's very nice, accessible for maintenance or whatever. If we go farther on the side, you see all the water components here. So this sprayer comes with a CCS Pro water system. What does that mean? CCS Pro means continuous cleaning system. So we got a hydro pump here on the side, a centrifugal pump, but it also comes with a freshwater pump on the back as a piston diaphragm pump. So as you all know, a centrifugal pump can't suck that well by its own. So we got the piston pump on the back, the diaphragm pump, for suction aid, but also for rinsing the sprayer out. So if you want to change very quick between crops, so you want to have a quick and a very tidy rinse. So what it actually does, when you rinse your sprayer, you suck fresh water out of your freshwater tanks, which are hooked on the side of the main tank. You suck that fresh water and push it through your cleaning nozzles with the freshwater pump. And at the same time, you suck the contaminated product with your hydro pump out of the main tank and spray it out, right? So you're not thinning your chemicals, you're just pushing it out of the tank. That's the principle behind it, which gives you a very good cleaning process. All our valves are banjo valves as standard on each horse sprayer, and also the system behind the water circuit and so on is the same from a very standard pole type sprayer over in Europe up to our biggest flagship. So the principle and the software behind it is well known and proved on each other horse sprayer as well. Yeah, we got a 52-liter stainless steel cam inductor here. Lots of performance. For example, it takes just 17 seconds to suck the whole 50 liters into the sprayer. You got your manual operations, very nice and tidy, colorful, marked and indicated. And all your filling functions are running through the side panel here, which is quite comfortable and easy to operate. So we don't have a touch screen on here, we have big buttons. Even if you wear gloves or whatever, it's quite easy to operate this. Yeah, another storage compartment. In the front, your filling port, you got a pressure outlet and your freshwater fill. You got two pressure filters, suction filters, for a good spraying application. If I go farther to the back, we see our boom. So this is a 7-part 48-meter boom. As you can see, it is a hybrid thing. So the outer wing is made of aluminium. You can also order a 36-meter boom, which means it is only a 5-part thing, completely made of steel. It's a very durable and easy design. As you can see, the bended tube along the boom, it's made of one piece, just bended, to have less weldings, less heat, and a good durability in the boom. One of the unique things on each horse sprayer is the Leeb boom control. So on this sprayer we got 8 ultrasonic sensors along the boom, which guide the boom to the ground and adapt the boom to the ground. So you as an operator would just set the height in the cab to, for example, 50 centimeters, and the boom takes control about that. And this sprayer actually has the Boom Control Pro Plus version, so it can angle the inner wings and it can also angle the outer wings. It has a boom flex in the middle of the boom, which is the only sprayer on the market which can do that. What's the advantage of that? So you can, even in hilly conditions, you can run your boom very low to have less drift and a better application. Another unique thing is that this boom has a slope compensation. So the whole boom is hooked onto one point, and you got some hydraulic slope compensation cylinders that even if you go to rough terrain with your sprayer, the boom stays very calm. Yeah? And this is the same on a 36 or on a 48 meter. You're also able to order just with an inner angling, for example, or if you want, you can get the Autoflex. If we get closer to our application, each boom has a recirc line. So if I switch my main product pump on, the whole product from the pump gets pumped through the whole boom and back to the tank. So I'm like in standby mode and ready to spray. So nothing sticks in my nozzle line, whatever. It's just get recirculated all the time. This sprayer is a PWM system, which is a Ravenhawk i2 with Horsch own made harnesses. This has a 500 millimeter spacing. So as you know, you would on a PWM sprayer, you would just enter your spray pressure and your application rate, and then your duty cycle takes care about your application rate controller, right? You're also able to order the PWM as a 250 millimeter spacing, because with our sprayers you're able to run the boom quite low to the ground to have less drift, and for that to have even then an even application, you need the 250 millimeter spacing. Another big option on our sprayers is to order the pneumatic nozzle layout, which is called auto select. What does that mean? So you don't have those modules on each nozzle, you would just have section modules along the boom, which are running via CAN bus and air lines. So you just got air actuators on each nozzle, and you can have individual layers per section. For example, up to 6 layers per section. You got multiple nozzle bodies, for example a 2-2 system, which means you have 2 nozzles, each 250 millimeters. You would just start spraying your smallest nozzle, and the faster you go, starting from your headland, it will automatically switch to the bigger profile. And the big advantage of this system is it's all easy parts, just standard ARAC valves on each nozzle body, and all runs via airlines. Easy to fix, cheap in investment, and also very reliable. Yeah. As you can see, maybe on the top of the tank, we got our Horsch Connect. What does that mean? That's our telematics module, and we able to have like a telematics function from the office and see all the sprayer parameters from the office, and yeah, see how the performance is, whatever, or do fleet control, fleet management. But the unique thing on this is also I'm able to operate the nozzles by my mobile phone. So I can run behind this or walk behind the sprayer, use my mobile phone and switch the pump on and the nozzles on to check if there's something going wrong or whatever. Yeah, that's basically the whole principle of our sprayer. We got on the other side big storage compartments. This machine has a 450 liter diesel tank installed. We will get a 720 liter tank soon to the end of the year. Yeah, so I will start now to operate the sprayer and unfold it and show you some of the features. Thank you, and if you have any further questions, yeah, I'm looking forward that we have a great day today, and yeah, just ask if you need anything. Yeah, thank you. So this is the Autoflex, which is working right now. That's one of the options, also available without that, so you would just have the inner angling if you want to. So what I do now, I connect the sprayer with my phone. So I just open the Horsch control app, and my phone is connecting to the sprayer then. So you would just scan the QR code on the ISO screen, and then my phone is connecting to the sprayer. This module creates a Wi-Fi around the machine. It's connecting right now. So it's connected, so I just go to my spraying nozzles, switch the pump on, so you hear the pump starting. So then I'm at my spraying nozzles, and then you can see from there when I open the nozzle. That's the first nozzle, and I can go nozzle by nozzle if I want to, and check each of the nozzles if there's something blocked or wrong or whatever. I can also switch them all on at the same time. So you can see now, I'll switch them all off again. Very nice and easy to control your nozzles, your application, if everything goes right. And as you have may seen, we got our night light at the boom. So when I close my master switch, it will automatically clean those lights there below the boom. As you know, when you spray fast, it gets quite dusty, especially when you go 25 or whatever, which is possible. Your headlights get dusty and dirty.